Are you looking to enhance your skills with Microsoft Office? Computer Training Wales offers a one-day Microsoft Office 365 Fundamentals course to help you master the essentials of Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. In this course, you'll learn how to create and format documents in Word, design engaging presentations in PowerPoint, perform data analysis in Excel. If you're looking for more in-depth training, there is also a 3-day Office 365 Masterclass course. In this course, you'll learn advanced techniques for Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, including styles, templates, and collaboration tools. Best practices for document management and file organization. Finally, the 5-day Office 365 Expert course takes your skills to the next level. In this course, you'll learn to create online surveys and quizzes, take effective notes with OneNote, leverage collaboration features in Microsoft Teams. Whatever your skill level, Computer Training Wales has a Microsoft Office course suited to help you succeed with Office 365. Inquire now to reserve your place. I hope this is what you are looking for.